how to screen share Opera GX without black screen on Discord. So if you want to screen share Opera GX without the black screen on your Discord, then what you need to do is you just need to simply end the streaming on your Discord and open up your GX. Once you open up your Opera GX, now you just need to simply go with the settings, which is here on the left side. Click on the settings, and under settings, you just need to simply search for the hardware acceleration option. If you can't find that option, you can go with the search, which is on the upper right. Go with the search settings and then search for hardware acceleration. And once you search for the hardware acceleration, here you will get an option of use hardware acceleration when available. So if you get that option, you can simply go and toggle off the option. Once you toggle it off, now here you will have relaunch option. You just need to simply click on relaunch. And once you relaunch, you can go with your Discord and start the streaming. So that's how you can share your screen on Opera GX without the black screen on your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.